Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast to help you learn English. If you are new here, I'm Mia, and today we have a super fun theme, travel.
And I'm Leo. We are going to travel together using English. Not in a real plane, sadly, but in your ears and your brain. That also sounds a little strange.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this episode, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, please subscribe, like, and share. If you already did it, you are officially amazing. If not, you are almost amazing. You're so close.
Okay, so today we talk about travel, easy English, friendly English, beginner English. So relax, listen, enjoy. No stress.
Let's start with a simple question. Mia, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I like airports, I like trains, I like new cities, and I really like hotel breakfast. It's the best part. What about you, Leo? Do you like traveling?
I like the idea of traveling. In my mind, I am very cool. I have a small suitcase. I walk fast. I drink coffee. I look mysterious. In real life, I'm late, I lose my ticket, and I forget my passport.
That is a problem. No passport, no travel.
One time, I arrived at the airport with my suitcase, my backpack, my headphones, snacks, everything. And at the check-in desk, I remembered my passport was at home on my desk.
Oh no. How far is your home from the airport?
With no traffic, 30 minutes. With traffic, 3 days. At least it felt like 3 days.
Did you catch your plane?
Yes, but only because the plane was late. The plane was also late, like me. So we are friends now.
Okay, nice. So we want to help you use English for travel. We will talk about planning a trip at the airports, at the hotel, and in the city.
And we will use super simple English. We speak slowly, we repeat ideas with different words, and we tell little stories so you can really understand.
First, let's talk about planning a trip. When you plan a trip, you need to decide 3 big things: where, when, and how much.
Where do you want to go? When do you want to go? And how much money can you spend? My answer is usually, I want to go everywhere, all the time, with no money. Not very realistic.
Example time. Imagine I want to go to London. I can say, I want to travel to London in June. It's a simple travel sentence.
You can also say, I want to visit London. Visit is a good travel word. I want to visit London. I want to visit Paris. I want to visit Tokyo.
Another useful verb is book. To book means to reserve. For example, I want to book a flight to London, or I want to book a hotel.
So maybe you say, I want to visit London in June. I need to book a flight and a hotel. Done. Easy English, big travel energy.
Let's do a little fake conversation. I ask a question, Leo answers. Where do you want to travel next?
I want to travel to Japan.
When do you want to go?
In spring, in April.
What do you need to book?
I need to book a flight and a hotel. And maybe 10 dinners.
10 dinners is only 3 days for you.
True.
Now let's move to the airport. The airport is stressful for many people, but the English can be simple. First, you arrive at the airport. Then you check in. Then you go through security. Then you wait at the gate. Then you board the plane.
Really good basic vocabulary. Airport, check-in, security, gate, boarding.
Example sentences. I am at the airport. I am at the check-in desk. I am in the security line. I am at gate 25. We are boarding now.
And on the big information screens, you see words like on time, delayed, boarding, canceled. My personal enemy is delayed.
My personal enemy is gate changed. Suddenly, you need to run to another gate.
Here are some small questions you might hear at the airport. Very classic travel English. Can I see your passport?
Do you have any bags to check in?
Did you pack your bag yourself?
What is the purpose of your trip?
The last one is very common with passport control or immigration. What is the purpose of your trip? You can answer with simple words. I am here for vacation, or I am here for work, or I am here to study.
So, for example, I am here for vacation. I want to visit the city and relax.
And if you are nervous, it's okay. The officer does this every day, all day. For them, you are trip number 204 today. They are not impressed by your secret chocolate in your bag.
Okay, now you are on the plane. Use words like seat, window, aisle, overhead locker, seatbelt.
Window seat or aisle seat? This is a big question.
Window seat, always. I like to look outside, and I can sleep very well at the window. I put my head on the wall, and good night.
I prefer aisle seat. I like to stand up, walk, go to the bathroom, and have no one between me and freedom.
Some useful English on the plane. For example, excuse me, is this seat free?
Excuse me, can we switch seats?
Can I have some water, please?
Can I have a blanket, please?
Also, you hear some typical messages. Please fasten your seatbelt. We are now boarding. We are now landing. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
When they say, please put your seat in the upright position, it means stop being comfortable. We're going down.
Okay, now you arrive in a new country. You go through passport control or immigration. Again, simple English is enough.
They maybe ask, how long will you stay? You can say, I will stay for 1 week, or I will stay for 3 days, or I will stay for 2 months.
Another question. Where will you stay? You can answer, I will stay at a hotel, or I will stay with a friend, or I will stay in an apartment.
One more. Do you have anything to declare? If you are not bringing special things like a lot of money or animals or 50 phones, you can usually say, no, I have nothing to declare.
Okay, now you are free. You are in the city. Let's talk about the hotel. Very important travel English.
At the hotel, check-in is also a common word. You check in when you arrive. You check out when you leave.
At the reception, you can say, hello, I have a reservation. Or, hello, I have a booking.
They may ask, can I have your passport, please? Or, can you sign here, please?
Here are some simple things you can say at the hotel. I have a reservation for 3 nights.
What time is checkout?
Is breakfast included?
Can I have the Wi-Fi password, please?
Very important question. Travel is Wi-Fi.
Yes. No Wi-Fi, no pictures, no pictures. Did the trip really happen?
More hotel phrases. Excuse me, there is a problem with the shower.
The air conditioning is not working.
Can I have extra towels, please?
Is there a hairdryer in the room?
These are simple, but very useful. You don't need long, complex sentences. Short and clear is perfect.
Now, let's go outside into the city. You want to move around, you can use taxi, bus, train, metro. So, you need to ask for directions.
Directions are classic. For example, excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Or, excuse me, Where is the nearest bus stop?
Or, excuse me, is there a supermarket near here?
People will often answer with words like straight, left, right, next to, in front of, behind.
Example, go straight, then turn left. The station is next to the big bank.
Or, it's 5 minutes on foot. On foot means walking.
If I'm in a new city, my favorite sentence is, excuse me, can you show me on the map? Then I give them my phone.
Yes, give the phone. Let them do the work. They touch, they zoom, they move the map. Free navigation service.
You also often need to buy tickets. At the station, you can say, I would like a ticket to the city center, please. Or, one ticket to the airport, please.
They might ask, single or return? Single means one way. Return means go and come back.
So you can say, a return ticket to the airport, please.
In a taxi, you can use, can you take me to the museum, please? Or how much is it to the hotel?
And if you think the price is too high, you can just cry silently inside your heart.
Now let's talk about food. Very important part of travel. Maybe the most important.
Yes. Do I travel for culture? Yes. For nature? Yes. For food? Extra yes.
At a restaurant, classic sentences. A table for two, please.
Can I see the menu, please?
What do you recommend?
I would like the chicken, please.
Can I have the bill, please?
Very simple, very useful. You don't need, I shall sample your delightful cuisine. Just, I would like the pasta, please, is perfect.
Also, don't forget drinks. Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea, beer, wine.
For example, still water or sparkling water. Still is no bubbles, sparkling has bubbles.
So you can say, still water, please, or sparkling water, please.
If you have allergies, this is important. Learn 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I'm allergic to nuts. Or, I can't eat gluten. Or, I don't eat meat.
Then you can say, is there meat in this dish? Or, does this contain nuts?
Okay, now we talked about many practical things. But travel is also about fun experiences. Let's talk about some common travel activities.
Sightseeing is a big travel word. Sightseeing means visiting famous places, monuments, museums. You can say, I want to go sightseeing, or today I am going sightseeing.
For example, I want to see the old castle. I want to visit the museum. I want to walk in the old town.
Another word is tour. You can take a city tour, a bus tour, a walking tour, a boat tour.
Simple sentence. I would like to book a city tour. Or, what time does the tour start?
Also, there is guide and tour guide. The tour guide is the person who explains the city.
Now, Leo, imagine you are in a new country. What is your perfect travel day?
My perfect travel day. I wake up not too early, maybe 9. I eat a big hotel breakfast, too many croissants. Then I walk in the city. I get lost a little. I take photos. I find a small cafe. I drink coffee. I watch people. In the afternoon, I visit one museum. Only one, because my brain is small. And in the evening, I eat local food and go to bed at 11.
That sounds very nice. My perfect travel day is similar, but I wake up early. I like the city when it is quiet. I walk, I explore, I take a lot of pictures. Then I find a cute coffee shop and sit there and write or read.
So we both like walking and food, classic human things.
Now, let's learn some adjectives to describe travel. Easy words, but very useful. Beautiful, interesting, exciting, relaxing, noisy, crowded, expensive, cheap.
For example, the city is beautiful. The museum is interesting. The market is noisy and crowded. The hotel is expensive. The cafe is cheap.
Another important travel adjective is comfortable. For example, the bed is very comfortable, or the bus is not comfortable.
I think not comfortable is my official position on every bus.
You can also talk about the weather because weather changes travel. For example, it is sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, hot, cold.
So you can say, the weather is sunny and hot, or it is rainy and cold today, or it is very windy. My hair is crazy.
Let's talk about small travel problems because real trips are not perfect.
True. Lost luggage, missed buses, wrong train, phone battery 0.
If you have a problem, it is okay to speak very simple English. Do not worry about grammar. Just use keywords people usually understand.
For example, at the airport, my bag is lost, or I can't find my suitcase.
At the hotel, there's a problem with my room, or the key does not work.
On the street, I am lost. Can you help me? Or I can't find this address.
These little sentences are powerful, short, but they open conversations.
Also, always good. I don't understand. Can you speak more slowly, please?
That is maybe the most important English sentence for travel. People often speak fast. You can just ask them to slow down.
So we talked about a lot of things today. Let's quickly review the big groups in simple words.
Planning a trip. I want to visit city. I need to book a flight and a hotel.
At the airport, check-in, security, gate, boarding. Can I see your passport? What is the purpose of your trip?
On the plane. Window seat, aisle seat, seat belt. Can I have some water, please?
At the hotel, I have a reservation. What time is checkout? Can I have the Wi-Fi password, please?
In the city. Excuse me, how can I get to the station? A ticket to the city center, please.
At the restaurant, a table for 2, please. I would like the pasta. Can I have the bill, please?
Problems. I am lost. Can you help me? There is a problem with the shower. My bag is lost.
And don't forget adjectives. Beautiful, interesting, exciting, relaxing, noisy, crowded, expensive, cheap, comfortable.
And weather. Sunny, rainy, windy, hot, cold.
So if you travel with basic English, you can do a lot. You can go from the airport to the hotel, to the restaurant, to the museum, and back. That is already a great adventure.
You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long, complicated sentences. You just need some simple words and a little confidence.
And maybe a power bank for your phone.
And comfortable shoes.
And some snacks.
And your passport.
Yes, please don't forget your passport. Learn from my pain.
We hope this episode helps you feel more ready to travel with English. Maybe your next trip will be in English.
Tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel next? Just write a simple sentence like, I want to travel to Spain, or I want to visit Canada.
We read your comments, and we are very happy when you write in English, even simple English.
Don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this episode, and share it with a friend who wants to travel and learn English.
Thank you for listening, thank you for learning with us, and see you in the next episode.
Bye for now, and have a safe trip, even if it's only in your imagination today.
Bye, everyone.